What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't been posting lately. I just had midterms, but guess what I'm holding in my hands, guys? This came in about a couple days ago, but since I was studying for my midterms, I was not able to even open it. And now that my midterms are over, basically, I finally get the chance to open up this bad boy. So if you've already seen the title, you know what it is. And I am gonna let you guys guess what color I got it. And as you guys can see, nice what is that, like magenta color. But this is the Galaxy S9 Plus. Well, sorry guys. The Galaxy S9 Plus. And today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing, guys. Let's see what else came in the box with T-Mobile. Some styrofoam so it doesn't get banged up. How do you open this box? Okay. So, oh, it's just one of those. This is just like a cover. So we get the little import tin here. Let's bring out my key knife. You guys gotta get yourself some key knives. Nice little key knife. Doesn't even cut well, but there we go. And as you guys can see, Samsung Galaxy S9. That's really low. S9 Plus. I can barely see that, and I'm right here. S9 Plus. So you get your usual packets of welcome, your SIM ejector tool, all this little stuff. I'll probably maybe read this and that's it, and then add another SIM ejector tool to my collection. I have over like 8 now, 8 or 9. Throw this off and look at this bad boy. Ooh, whew, it's been a long time. And obviously you guys saw I did get it in the Midnight Black edition because I like my things all black. Dual camera. Does not feel that big in the hands. Where's my iPhone 8 Plus? Right here. It's in dimensions. It's smaller in length, and in width it is also smaller. So I don't know. That's just my little unofficial length test, I guess. So right here you just got your SIM and micro SD card. I'll show you how to do it. But I'll leave that to the side. I got the 64 gig because this video is going to be about the unboxing. Let's see. Please do not misplace this. This is what you get as a little SIM, I guess, with T-Mobile stuff. They give you a SIM in case you guys don't have one. Your little transfer data from USB-C to USB. Yeah, your quick charge. I believe this has quick charge 3.0 or 2.0. I don't know. I'm gonna do a charge test on that though, but I think it's the same one that they had for the S8 Plus and the S7 inch, because I remember getting one of these, but it wasn't black. And then what I'm really excited for is these AKG headphones, which I've heard that they're like way better than AirPods. What the heck is this? Oh, replaceable earbuds for your headphones. So you get your AKG headphones. I don't know how to do a review, but I'll tell you guys what I think about them when I do the audio test and stuff like that. So AKG headphones, pretty cool. And what else do you get? You get your USB-C. How the hell do I open this? Okay. You got your USB to USB Type-C. And that's gonna be your charging cable. And that's basically all that they include in the box. But these headphones are pretty legit. What I've heard on the reviews and what I've been reading on is that these headphones are a pretty good deal when you get the S9 Plus. I mean, I think it's about time these companies started providing good quality headphones, because the phones are pretty dang expensive. $840 for a phone is pretty high up there. But you see I got the dual camera, the infinity display, and yeah. So that does it for this unboxing. This is gonna be my unboxing video. I'm gonna have a setup video pretty soon after this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, guys, subscribe, comment, and like. We're almost at 500 subscribers, almost to 1,000. I am a full-time YouTuber / student at this point, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any requests, what you guys want to do, right now I have a S7 Edge, but I don't know how long I'll have that. I can get hold of an iPhone 6s Plus and an iPhone 6 Plus and my iPhone 8 Plus. Everything else I sold my OnePlus 5, unfortunately, because I needed to get some money. So I'm down to this phone and an iPhone 8 Plus and an iPod Touch. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe down below. You guys are amazing. You guys with the views and everything, and I really appreciate you guys supporting the channel the way you guys have been. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.